Okay guys, so on the ARICHAIN update, once you open your app, you update your app immediately. Okay, update your app before continue. Then click on testnet. Okay, update your app for you to get this latest update. All right, update the app. You can see I've already submitted my own details. I've already done my own already. All right, so I just want to show you how to do yours. You can see here, right? You're going to see the tabs here to complete. All right, so just click on it. Okay, let me just show you. Edit info. You click on it, then you paste in your wallet address. All right, your wallet, if your wallet address from MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, copy the address and paste it here. Then you put in your wallet address, your Discord handle, your Twitter handle. Okay, once you are done, you click on verify. All right, verify it and then you proceed immediately. You can see, right, you submit. Okay, and that's it. Then go back to home. Now the same thing applies to your Discord account also. Go to your Discord, okay, to complete your own, to complete a task on Discord. So let's move. So once you're on Discord now, on their account, click on this place. Okay, click on this place now. You can see here, right, array account registration booth. You click on it. All right, okay. So once you click on the second option, then you click on this icon here now. Click on it. Let me just confirm this. Click on it. Okay, so once you click on it now, this message box now, this message box, some persons are not getting it right. You can see the Discord account, some persons are not getting it right. All right, so follow this video correctly and do your own. So this message box now, click on it. All right, click on the message box, then you put in this slash. All right, when you put on this slash now, you can see this is going to come out now. Okay, this will come out. All right, you click on this first option here. You can see here, right, click on the first option. Click on the first option. Sorry about that. Paste it again. All right, you can see here, right, you can see here, you can see this, right, ARICHAIN registration, account registration, array account registration boot. You can see it. So click on it. Okay, when you click on it, then you click on send. Click on send. All right, this will pop up now for you to fill in your details. Now on this place now, you're going to paste in your EVM address, which you pasted on the ARICHAIN wallet himself. All right, you paste in the EVM address you pasted here. Paste in the address. Okay, so this place now it requires you to put in your S account handle. Okay, your S account handle. That's what to be here. All right, must put out. Yeah, must put out. So on this Array wallet, now you go to your Array wallet app, copy your wallet address and paste it here. So let's go. Let me show you how to do that. All right. Once you're on your Array wallet app now, you click on receive. Okay, click on receive, then copy your address. All right, that's it. Then you go back to your Discord and continue. If you start afresh, just continue. There's no problem. All right, you click on it, put your handle, put your Twitter handle. Okay, put your Twitter handle. You must put the art. Very, very important. Okay, then you paste in your ARICHAIN wallet address. Once you are done, you submit. All right, once you are done, you submit. Make sure everything is very, very correct. Okay, submit, and boom, that's it. It has been submitted successfully. Okay, you can see my here, right? You can see my, some persons are not getting it correctly. You can see my here, right? So follow this video and do yours like this. Okay, don't make a mistake. Don't maybe stay like these people now. Alright, they're not getting it correctly. Just follow this video and you are done. Let me check it again now. Let me check it again. Wash, put this slash again, then add a registration, click on it, then you send. You can see, right, everything is correct. Okay, and you submit. So that's all, guys. That's all, guys. Do yours immediately and then focus on other things also. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also importantly join our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, peace out.